Hello, Maya here. Today, we are going to be talking about in painting and masking. We'll be using WanGP to mask and edit. This has many uses, as can be seen from this short demo.
Oh wow, when did VACE get this capability? 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 Oh wow, when did VACE get this capability?
We will start with QN image 2512. For the first portion, we will create a mask for her hair. Then we will prompt to change her hair color. This can be done with the Video Mask Creator. This in combination within Paint. Go to the Video Mask Creator tab. Make sure to select Image instead of Video. First load up the image. Then click on the hair in order to see a preview of the mask. When happy with it, click Add Mask. Then click on Image Matting. Verify the matte below. After verified, click Set to control image and mask. Return to Video Generate tab. Adjust the expand/shrink mask area. This is necessary to get any loose strands of hair, but be careful. If you adjust this too high, it can end up potentially masking and changing the face. Now put in your prompt. Keep in mind in Paint is not editing. What you are actually doing is drawing over whatever was in the masked area, replacing the pixels, not altering them. So the results will often be radically different from what was inside before. Finally, make sure you are using a lightning 8-step LoRa to reduce the time it takes. Here are the results. Now we are going to change her dress. Load the image we just created into the Create Mask tab. This one is a bit tricky as we want more than just the dress. We need to cover the arms as well. When selecting the arms, it will select everything. To fix this, go under Point, prompt above, and click on Negative. Advanced options will need to be expanded in order to access Point prompt. This will tell the mask to remove that portion. We'll need to switch between positive and negative until only the dress and arms are selected. When happy with the results, add the mask, set image matting, review the final mask, send it over to the Video Generation tab. Now prompt the clothing you would like to replace the mask with. Change the number of images to Generate to 4, then hit Generate. Here are the results. As you can see, the results are not good. The mask covered too much, which caused the fabric to bunch up around the thighs in a weird way. Now let's manually fix the mask using the paint tools above. I will make it a bit more dress-shaped and leave the thighs uncovered. I will also remove the mask from the left hand. Finally, let's increase the number of steps in the in-painting method. This should improve the details, but requires longer render times. Let's see what happens. There is no weird bunching around the legs. I don't believe thigh-high boots is appropriate business attire, so let's correct that by removing the top of the boots. Go back to the Video Mask Creator tab. Load up the selected image. Select the top of the boots to mask. Once verified, send the mask back to the Video Generation tab. Now change the description to describe her bare thighs. This should cause it to paint over the boots with her skin tone. Hit Generate and let's verify. Okay, this looks good. Let us add some glasses to her. Mask over her face where glasses should go. Then alter the prompt. She is now wearing glasses. Now we are going to replace the background. Select Background in the selection tab. Load up the image. Mask the character as normal. When creating the mask, we'll notice the white and black is reversed. This time, when we created a mask, we are actually masking the background. We will change this to an office. She is in front of a desk with a nice view. To finish off this project, we will extend the image to a full body shot. To do this, we will enable spatial outpainting. Extend the right and left edges by 25% and the bottom by 50%. Keep the same description as before since we are extending the background. Make sure nothing is masked. Then click Generate.
I told you to have that document on my desk first thing this morning.